everybody, it is time. We're officially in tax season, which can be so stressful if you're not on the right track for retirement. With us are Salt Lake City's retirement strategist, Mark Cadell, and his son, Clint, from Cadell Investments. And they're talking about 4 things that will help you not pay too much. I mean, more than you should when it comes to your taxes. These two said, or we could talk Super Bowl.
That's true too.
Either's fine.
Fun, yeah.
Either's fine.
We don't want to go from something fun to something boring, right? We want to fun.
But important. But important for so many of us. Let's jump into number 1. What is that?
Number 1 is talking about ways to reduce taxes in retirement, and also for pre-retirees. If you caught the game yesterday, it's also important to have a good game plan. You'll notice that the Chiefs came back from a big deficit to win. That was so exciting, wasn't it?
I knew you'd sneak in the Super Bowl. I knew you'd get it in there, and you did.
Yeah, and it's important to have, they didn't just win, an individual win the game, it was a team effort. And the same holds true with taxes and reducing your taxes during retirement. And prior to retirement, you got to work with a team. You have to work with a good CPA or tax accountant to help reduce those taxes. And
secondly, it's the misconceptions about taxes in retirement. What are those?
Yeah, nobody pays retirement taxes before you're retired, so you don't know what you're doing when you go into it. And the good news is you're not paying FICA anymore. Now you're taking out from FICA. So that's a good reduction in taxes for retirees. But then you're paying taxes on your withdrawals from your 401k and your IRAs, which are unexpected for a lot of people. But the good news is there are also a lot of reductions that you can do. Instead of having that 401k or IRA that you've been putting money into while you're working, you could do a Roth conversion, for example, which takes that money and taxes it then. So when you withdraw it, it's tax-free. So that way the money that you actually have in that account is your money.
See, if I was sitting in front of you, do so many of your clients like kind of glaze over? Like, I didn't know that. Yeah. You don't know, and April 15th is coming. What can you do before that date that will help?
And that's the problem, is April 15th sneaks up on us so fast. So we want to prepare at least a year in advance, but there are some things you can do right now to prepare for that April 15th deadline to hopefully reduce taxes a little bit. As Clint mentioned, those Roth conversions can help, especially for next year. Donations in kind help a lot. We've talked about that before, but that's very helpful. Tax-free municipal bonds are a great way to reduce taxes. There's health savings accounts that can help reduce taxes. A couple others, Clint?
You could invest in energy-efficient solutions for your home. That gives you tax credits. You can also maximize your contributions to your work programs like your IRAs and your 401ks, because those give you tax reductions as well.
If you walk through the door of Cadell Investments, what can you expect?
We're very low-key. We're not going to pressure you or anything like that. It's not like a time sales. We're going to explain to you what you can expect there. We're going to walk you through every step. And then we try to get to know you, so that way it's not really nerve-wracking for you. And we get to know what your goals and what you want out of your retirement, because you're the one who needs to enjoy your retirement. It's not us. We're here to work for you.
What are you asked most? What's the question that people say, I just don't know how to do this, or I don't understand that?
The biggest question people ask us when they come into our offices, when can I afford to retire? That's their number 1 question. Do I have enough money to retire? Am I going to be okay during retirement? That's their number 1 question for most people. Then once they get into retirement, they want to reduce taxes because they don't want our favorite uncle, Uncle Sam, to take too much of their paycheck or their cash flow once they're retired.
Are they usually pleasantly surprised about what they can do? How are we doing with saving money as a whole right now?
It depends person to person.
Really?
Yeah, when couples come in, for example, the wife is usually the saver, whereas the husband enjoys spending the money. So it's just person to person, who you are and how you like to live your life. But we can make a plan for each type of person that's out there.
And these two are so easy to talk to. We've been chatting about halftime. And they would love to help you with anything and every question that you have. So do go to our website and we'll link you to all the information about Cadell Investments. The number 2 is right there on your screen. First 5 callers, you get that tax analysis and retirement income plan. So do call 801-509-5471. I'm glad you guys are here today because people are at home saying, okay, it's a snow day. I'm thinking about this.
They couldn't go to work, so they had to stay home and watch the show, right?
So watch the show and actually save me some money. Go to our website, everyone, and we'll link you to all that info. It's abc4.com/GTU. Thanks, you too.